Hello friends, today's topic stocks which have gone up and down in the last 3 years. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The last 3 years, many famous large cap stocks underperformed the overall markets. At the same time, many large cap stocks are done very well. This is quite common since stocks which are trading at high valuation consolidate for some time while stocks which are cheap to do very well for some period until valuation becomes expensive. Money keeps getting rotated from expensive stocks to cheap stocks. Some expensive stocks in the terms of valuation may become more expensive and many stocks which are trading at low valuation will appreciate well and give returns close to their long-term average. Now, some top winners in the last 3 years. Number 1, HAL, 3-year returns percentage 834%. 2, Trend, 475%. 3, BEL, 466%. 4, ABB India, 402%. 5, Power Finance Corporation, 371%. 6, Cummins India, 340%. 7, Indian Hotels, 331%. 8, REC Limited, 327%. 9, Canara Bank, 294%. 10, BHEL, 287%. 11, Polycab India, 284%. 12, TVS Motors, 280%. 13, Tata Power, 258%. 14, M&M, 245%. 15, Siemens, 237%. 16, Bank of Baroda, 236%. 17, GMR Airports, 233%. 18, NTPC, 213%. 19, PNB, 203%. 20, Coal India, 201%. 21, Persistent Systems, 199%. Usually, after a huge appreciation in stocks, some consolidation can be expected in most stocks. So we need to see if the momentum can be continued or there will be price or time correction. Now, some top laggards in the last 3 years. 1, Bandhan Bank minus 39% in 3 years. 2, SBI Cards minus 35%. 3, UPL minus 34%. 4, Laurus Labs minus 28%. 5, Aarti Industries minus 27%. 6, Berger Paints minus 26%. 7, Biocon minus 18%. 8, Jubilant Foodworks minus 17%. 9, HDFC Life minus 16%. 10, Dr. Lalpas Labs minus 14%. 11, Wipro minus 14%. 12, Indraprastha Gas minus 11%. 13, Max Financial Services minus 5%. 14, Kotak Mahindra Bank minus 4%. 15, Shree Cement minus 2%. 16, Crompton Greaves Consumer minus 2%. 17, Asian Paints minus 2%. 18, ICICI Prudential 0. 19, Gujarat Gas plus 1%. 20, Samvardhana Motherson plus 2%. 21, Infosys plus 3%. If you observe the table, you will notice that most of them are given negative or low returns in the last 3 years. But now their P ratio could be lower than the 5-year average P ratio. Usually, when invested on a regular basis, SEP, even underperformance would lead to decent to good returns in the long term as long as the fundamentals continue to be quite strong. This is how in shorter periods money keeps getting rotated by institutions from high valuation to low valuation, and when low valuation companies become high valuation, then the companies at low valuation at that moment attract more investment. So this is the reason analysts are expecting better performance from the underperformers in the next 2 to 3 years. You can observe that some of these companies are fundamentally strong but going through a tough phase. Some of these are cyclical companies which are down due to the overall weakness in the sector. End of the video, here is a question. Do you expect many of these underperforming stocks to do better in the next 2 to 3 years? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.